how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Believe me guys, it's very easy peasy. Here you can see three lines on the left top corner. Just click on this. Perfect. Now click on the settings button. Perfect. Now you need to click on this help button. Perfect. Now click on this help center. Now click on this search bar. Perfect. Now scroll down and here you can see delete your account. Click on it. Perfect. Now you need to click on this temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Don't be confused. There is an option to delete your account in this option. So click on this. Perfect. Now scroll down and here you can see follow these instructions if you would like to delete your Instagram account. You just click on delete your Instagram account. Perfect. Now click on this Android help. Now click on this mobile browser help. Perfect. Now scroll down, click on this to unfold it. Okay. Now here you can see option delete your account. Click on this. Perfect. Now why do you want to delete your Instagram account? So just click on this and select any option that you want to. Okay, privacy concerns. Okay, now here you need to re-enter your password. Now scroll down and click on this delete. Okay, now click on this okay. Wait a little. Now if you see this kind of error but still your Instagram account has been deleted, so you just need to go your wallet. Now go to Instagram and here you can see couldn't refresh, you have been logged out. So thank you, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.